Holy crap, that's a big fish. That little rebel jerkbait. Look at that guy. Just another giant rainbow, guys. Oh my gosh. Slap her on the scale. See how much she weighs real quick. Oh, he's gonna school me. He's gonna freaking school me. Oh my gosh, guys. What's going on, people? Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. About to hit up this little creek on the side of the road. Got a little tiny Rapala jerkbait on, a little baby bass color. Hopefully gonna catch some bass here today. Anything that's really biting, maybe some panfish, maybe even a dumb carp if they're super dumb. It is January 1st, so I don't know how many fish are actually gonna be biting today, but hopefully we'll catch some. Happy New Year's, everybody. There usually does seem to be some type of congregation of fish in this particular area. Probably carp, but we're not here for them today. Trying to catch a bass. First bass of 2018, or excuse me, first bass of 2019. It's beautiful on the rock here. Might catch a fish, guys. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. Oh, and we got the first fish of the day, first fish of the year. It's a very tiny little largemouth bass. There we go, guys. Got the skunk out of the boat for the year. First fish, 2019. It's a largemouth bass. Big surprise there. Got what we came here for today. Catching them on a little Rapala jerkbait. Something that is a very versatile bait. You can use this almost any time of year, but these lures shine in particularly cold conditions where the water is very clear. Let's see if we can get another in the winter. A lot of times, you know, I'll just be doing my twitch pause or twitch pause. Doesn't really matter. But I usually just be doing that a lot slower than I would in the summertime. In the summertime, you know, you're whipping it, giving it all different types of crazy motions, changing your direction, stuff like that. You don't really need to do that in the winter. Just twitch, give it a nice long pause, 5 to 10 seconds. Should be good. I'll let you know if anything's biting. The great thing about these jerk baits are they're a bait you can work super slow in the winter. The fish won't be biting stuff that's, you know, moving extremely fast. So I'm just casting it out there, pulling my rod away from the bait, giving the lure a little bit of depth, you know, getting the jerk bait down. Let it sit, give it a twitch. Let it sit about 5-10 seconds. Another twitch. Ooh, I got one. A decent little bass. There we go. On the jerk bait, he's barely hooked. Don't go on the pin, buddy. There we go. Under a pound. There we go. Fishing January 2019. That ain't bad. Not for this creek. Under a pound. So it's probably about like 0.5, 0.6 at most. Beautiful colors, even in the winter. Lighting's probably terrible, but there we go. Awesome little fish. Let's get him back. goes. So when I'm fishing a jerkbait in the summertime, the length of my cast will last probably, 20, 30 seconds at most. Most of the time a lot shorter than that. But in the winter, I could have my lure out there for almost, a minute, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. All depends on what the fish are going to bite on. Oh, dang. Thought I felt a little twitch. Ah, it came off. Man, that was a nice bass.